So what's happening is, even if you catch this later when the night live stream is ended, the roof is about to fall in right here. This part has fell down this way. You can see where it's separated. I'm not a carpenter, I'm not a framer. I can build a little bit of cabinets. But you can see here where this goes, how it's fell down. So I'm having to take a jack and put it all back up. And once I get the board underneath over here to brace that side, I'm going to take the jack board, which is this one here, put it over here, lift this back up level, and then put a brace board underneath it. It's the only way I know how to do it to make it right. It's the only way I know how to do it to get it to work. I'm not very good at this stuff, but I'm going to do what I can. There's going to be a. You can see where the roof has rotted and come off, and Hurricane Delta finished it. So it's time to repair it. All the tools are over there. I just recently got done with that. And the water filter has to be redone. Shelving has to be put back. And all the brace boards and those holes right there have to be hook and laddered in. And then reattached to there. Only one way to do it is to get at it. So it looks like it's staying. It really does. Looks like it's staying. Well, that's a good thing. Now I just got to repeat it over here on the other side. Like I said, I'm not a carpenter, but I'm going to try because I ain't got no choice. down 2. A couple more braces. I am by myself. And this is real life, no editing. Whatever happens, happens. I hope I don't get hurt. But I know about bracing. I built cabinets. I've helped other people build houses. It just wasn't natural to me. I'm a scientist, science type guy, a military veteran, and an inventor. Maybe I can invent a new way to doing this crap. Oh, that ain't gonna work. Have to take an axe and beat this board in. Seems to have worked. I'm still alive. So we'll go with it from here. Got a lot of cleanup to do. That's for sure. Right now, I just want to brace the roof. Seems like that'll work. Let me bring it down. Let me check for level too. Oh yeah, nowhere near level. Oh, about 3 inches. That means I gotta bring the brace down too, 3 inches. About another inch. One of the things that happened that I don't like, you can see there's a gap right there. I can stick the level in between. I don't know who built this, but I don't like them at all. The wood is supposed to be flat on that surface, and that's supposed to be doubled up. I know that for certain. So that means I have to make more bracers all the way across there and screw and tie them in once I get it all done, when I get it right. So this is part one. It's braced on both sides now, the right way. Now I got to redo all that, drop them down, put them even with the board, and cut boards in between each one for bracing so the whole roof can sit on it. At least I can try to do it right this time. Because right there, the idiots nailed the board flat to the roof. That don't make sense. That creates a gully for rotting. You can see where it started rotting when it went up, separated from everything, and came back down, which is what happened over there. Lifted the whole roof up and slammed it back down.